Okay, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to be replacing this Holosun. It's a HS507K X2. It will not stay zeroed, so I can zero it, run about 2 mags through it, and it'll be off again. So I've got an RMA number to send it back to Holosun, and I bought a replacement. They had this on sale at Palmetto State, so I picked this up. It's a HS407. So let's unbox this little rascal. And the one that's on here is for a compact pistol, so it didn't fit the Shadow Systems pistol I've got. It didn't fit it very well. So this one should fit a little better. The Shadow Systems pistol comes with spacers to fill these gaps up, and they didn't have a spacer that fit this. So, all right, let me shut this camera off and remove this. I don't think removing it's kind of like watching paint dry. I took this off when it wouldn't hold zero. I thought maybe it was mounted or come loose. So I took it off and I put a Loctite on these screws. But the way these screws are made, they're tapered. So I don't think there's any way with that screw being tapered the way it is that thing can move. So I'm 90% sure that the red dot sight itself is defective. But we're going to send it back to Holosun and let them go over it. They've got a good warranty. So, all right, let me get this other one on. I'm going to go find my Loctite because I'm going to put blue Loctite on these other screws as well. So I'll be right back. Okay, well, I'm not going to have to find the Loctite because these, if you can see that, these screws already have Loctite on them. So we'll just drop this. It's going to go to the wider set of screws. Get another one here. Drop it in. If I can get these things to start straight. There we go. I'm gonna have to go get my fix-it sticks here just a second to give these a good torquing. Have to get the instructions out and see what they torque to. You know what? These screws may be too long. I may have to go with the shorter ones. All right, let me dig the shorter screws out. I'll be right back. All right, we get the shorter screws in. Get this thing cinched down. Okay, let me go get my fix-it sticks if I can find them. I got a torque wrench, and I'll look up the torque specs on this.
Hey. Oh, exhausted.
Well, it needs a lot. It's way off. All right, and we're back. So I torqued these to 15 inch-pounds with my fix-it sticks. I've got it sighted in pretty close That one, that red dot will shine on the camera or not. Let's turn it up a little bit. So it looks like it ought to be fairly close. We'll get it to the range and get it sighted in. I could go in the backyard, sight it in, but I hate to disturb the neighbors. So that is that. We'll see if this one will hold 0 any better than the other one. And we'll get the other one boxed up and mail it back. See if we can get it repaired. All right, thanks for watching.